important information to pass to the hopeless and the jobless youths of Nigeria. You are hopeless, you are jobless, you are suffering, and you're smiling at the same time. And you still want one Nigeria to continue to exist. You are even recruiting people to join you in your fruitless journey of one Nigeria unity. And you said over your dead body will Biafra come. Can I tell you something? All the people that have said over their dead body will Biafra come, all of them are dead. Do you know why? Because Biafra is a spirit, and spirit doesn't die. So there is nothing you can do or say about it. Your journey to make Biafra not to come is going to be a fruitless journey. So I will advise you to go and prepare, because there will be a great celebration that will usher in Biafra. There is nothing you can do about it. It sounds very impossible in your ear, but it has been written, because what is written is written. This is for Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State. Hope Uzodinma, you are in the bush with your military men looking for ESN to kill. Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, you are seriously looking for ESN while your fellow governors are in the north negotiating with terrorists. Somebody should help me tell Hope Uzodinma that he is busy looking for ESN while the northern governors and the northern leaders are having a serious dinner party with terrorists. Hope Uzodinma, are you aware that your co-governor said that not all bandits are criminals? Hope Uzodinma, are you aware that while you are looking for ESN, because they are protecting our territories, because they are evacuating Fulani that are killing, murdering, raping, beheading our fathers and our mothers in the farm, while you are busy looking for ESN for protecting our farm, your co-governors, Hope Uzodinma, are in the north, seriously begging and advocating that bandits should be given amnesty. Hope Uzodinma, are you aware of that? Are you aware that your fellow governors say that there is a reason why Fulani herdsmen is carrying AK-47? And you are looking for your people to kill. The Igbo governors are looking for their people to murder because of you have perpetual hatred for them. The people that you elected are seriously looking for a way to murder you. Hope Uzodinma, David Umahi, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, Willie Obiano Kezipa, so this drum of war that 5 of you are beating. We are not begging you to love us. We don't need your love. We don't want you to come and love us. But you see this drum of war that you are hitting. It will start in government house. Every day is for the thief, one day is for the owner of the house. He that fights and run away will definitely live to fight another day. Don't be so excited because you feel you have police and army at your disposal. 2021 is not 1967. Boys are not smiling. The monsters that you're creating, when it will be unleashed, the 5 governors in the east will never have any place to hide. Help me tell them, there will never be any place to hide. I have never had the northern governors, I have never had them say that Fulani herdsmen, bandits, Boko Haram, I have never had them say they are terrorists. But on countless occasions have I had David Umahi, Hope Uzodinma, Okezipa Azu, Willie Obiano, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi. On countless occasions have I had you all saying that IPOB is a terror organization and ESN is a criminal group. On countless occasions, a father intentionally killing his child. The monster you are creating will bite you. Tell them that I said it. 2021 is not 1967. There is serious negotiation going on in the north while you are looking for your people to kill. Aren't you people ashamed of yourself? You should be ashamed of yourself because humanity is ashamed of you. Nature is ashamed of you. That you are a governor in the east and the north are busy pampering their people looking for amnesty. Are they looking for amnesty because they have oil? Of course they don't have oil. They don't have any natural resources. They don't have anything that is making them to look for amnesty. They only have Nama. The Namaina Takombi Fafano, that is what Fulani have. Yet they are looking for amnesty. But you are a governor in your state. You are looking for your people to swallow. You are looking for your people to chew raw. And you said humanity will not speak against you. It's only a matter of time. It is only a matter of time. There will never be a place to hide. You will look for a place to hide, but it will be so late. This sleepless night that you people have made me not to sleep. When I sit down and remember that I have governors in the east that are looking for us to kill, when Boko Haram is in the north terrorizing, and their governors is busy pampering them, covering them, begging people, please don't kill these people. Why we are not carrying AK-47? We don't have AK-47. We only have the truth. We are only begging that we want to be separated. We don't want Fulani in our land. That's all. And you call military to come and kill us. And you say nature will not speak against you. Haba. Except God is not living in heaven again. Are you aware, my people, that the northerners, they don't drink again? We are the ones drinking Heineken. This negotiation that is going on now, this money that is changing hands in the north now, they don't drink alcohol. They have banned alcohol in the north. We are the ones drinking Heineken and Hero. We are the ones drinking small stouts. And the breweries in the company, all the Nigerian breweries in the company pay their taxes. This tax that they pay, they take the money and give to the northerners that claim they don't drink alcohol. Monkey, they walk, babu, they chop. We are the ones drinking, they are the ones collecting the taxpayers' money. Are you watching me? Are you with me? And these governors are still proud, looking for ESN to kill Britain, the evil country you created. Please tell Britain that the contraption, the Banana Republic, the Gorilla Republic they created is feeling our skin. Britain, the evil contraption you created is killing us. Britain, the company, Nigerian company that you created is negotiating with terrorists. The company you created is giving bandits presidential treatments. Bandits and banditry are giving presidential treatments. They are giving convoy. They are seriously listened to. When you carry AK-47, they listen to you. Britain, Nigerian government is indirectly telling our youth that there is a lucrative business going on in the north. That is bandit and banditry business. If you carry AK-47, they will listen to you. Government will be scared of you. They will give you police and army. That is what is ongoing. Britain, a country that cannot provide jobs for the youth. A useless and a stagnant country that will never give its youth electricity. A country that cannot be proud to pay workers' salary. A country that is busy borrowing. Borrowing upon borrowing. A static country. A country that can never build roads. It did not take them up to 72 hours to sit down and negotiate, talk with terrorists. They even know their hideouts. But these same people are coming looking for us, ESN, to kill. That we did what to them? That we did what to them? This rain will fall everywhere. At the end of the day, Nigeria will turn to a desert. One thing is sacrosanct, that at the end of the day, there is no living being that will remain in Nigeria. Continue. Please, our problem is not in Abuja. Ndiwo, listen. Our problem is not in Abuja. Our problem is in the east. Those creatures that said they are our governors in the east, that is where our problem is. Please, I want you to make sure that you channel your attention in the east. I want to remind Okezi Azo, I want to remind Dave Umahi that 1967, 2021 is not 1967 to 1970. Continue supporting Hausa. They pamper their people. They give them presidential treatment, and you are looking for your people to kill. You are looking for Ndibo to kill. Nigeria will collapse. My nationality will change. Your nationality will change. We have tried though. We talk. We have been agitating, and God is really working. But you see these 5 Eastern governors, Nigeria will collapse in their hands. Please, I don't want you all to feel pains much, because I'm seriously feeling pain. But this whole thing might be a blessing in disguise. Nigeria will collapse in the hands of these 5 Igbo governors. You see these 5 Igbo governors, these are our eastern governors. Nigeria will collapse in their hands. This drum of war that they are hitting will bring to the total shutdown, the total collapsing of Nigeria. I will witness the total collapsing of Nigeria. I will witness the total shutting down of Nigeria. Nigeria needs to be shut down. Every living being, everything in Nigeria deserves to be wiped away. Britain, the disaster you created. Nigeria is a disaster. Nigeria is the worst thing that has happened to humanity. Nigeria is a total disaster. That is why Nigeria needs to be shut down. Nigeria seriously needs to be shut down. You are busy giving amnesty to terrorists. That means you are telling the youth that for you to be a millionaire today, you have to join bandits. If you want to be a big boy, go and carry AK-47. That is the signal they are giving to the people. That is the signal. That is the business they are trying to give to the people. This is a country that cannot pay salary. This is a country that cannot pay salaries. This is a country that claims they cannot give electricity. But it's very easy for them. It's very easy for them to know the hideout of where bandits and terrorists are staying. So since you know where they are staying, why can't you call police and army? Why can't you call the same police and army that are busy killing civilians? Why can't you call them to go there and apprehend them? Why can't you go there and arrest them? Why can't you go there and persecute them, jail them, kill them by firing squad? You cannot do that. You only have power where ESN is. I will watch the total collapsing of Nigeria. Nigeria doesn't have leadership. There is no leader in Nigeria as of today. There is no leader both in the southeast, both in the southwest, both in anywhere in Nigeria. There is no leader. Nigeria is on autopilot. Do you hear me? Nigeria is on autopilot. No president, no vice president, no senate president, no governor, no minister. It is just static. And because there is nothing happening in the zoo, there is nothing happening in this contraption, that is why it will collapse. Join me as we, together, in unison, see to the total end of this banana republic.